Hey, ho ho, ha ha. All right, everybody, how's it going? Now then, after the last episode I did about buying parts for an e-bike, trying to build an e-bike better than this one. I'll put a picture here of, I want to try and build a better fat e-bike than this picture here. So I went on the search on the internet for a couple of days, looking, and I came across a fat bike. This is the cheapest I could find. There was another company which was £40 cheaper than this bike here that I have purchased. This bike, which was £300, but I didn't like the website. It looked a bit ropey, so I didn't want to go and put money down, and it didn't turn up. So I went on eBay instead, obviously paid through PayPal, blah blah blah, and I paid $339 for this bike here. So that's part of the shopping list. So that's coming tomorrow, I think. It's coming tomorrow. So we'll be having a look at that bike to see if it's any good, because it's pretty cheap. I don't know what it's going to be like, but we'll give it a go. So the next bit on the shopping list is a Bafang BH. I'll put it up by here. Whatever it is, I can't remember the name now. BHSD or some BHSD, something like that. So that's the next thing I'm going to buy. But I did email the seller of the bike I bought, and I asked him about the crank, how wide it is. He said it's 120mm, and it'll only take up to a 250 watt motor. Now, I don't know if he was saying that just to keep himself in the legal realms of things, and would there be a reason why a 1000 watt Bafang motor wouldn't fit on a fat bike? I don't know. I haven't done it yet, so if there is, if anybody's heard of anything where a Bafang motor won't fit a fat bike for some reason or another, 1000 watt, the one I'm on about, for any reason or that, put it in the comment section. So stop me from buying it then, won't it? And obviously the next thing to get is the battery. I think I'm going to go 52 volts. A bit more expensive to get 52 volts, and something like a 17 amp hour, something around that sort of, maybe a bit more, I don't know. I haven't quite come to the conclusion on it yet. It's just the bike is on its way. So the start of the build is starting. It will be a quick build because it's only the bike, a Bafang motor, battery. Use it for a while and then see if I can see how it goes, and then if it needs maybe if I can plug on a back 855 or something like that. So I got to be careful with the battery I get, haven't I? Because the battery's got to have enough oomph as well. So I think I've got all my parts lists. I will be, obviously the bike I'm buying, it's only got 160mm brakes. I'll probably put them to 203. The brakes, I might change the brakes to hydraulic instead of cable as well. It's better feel from hydraulics. What else would I do? Might change the seat. I did look, there's one review on YouTube, and the bloke said he got about 100 yards and the chain snapped.
Oh no. My chain has snapped. What am I going to do?
So that doesn't bode well, does it? The quality, does it? But and then he put another chain on it, so I might have to buy another chain. But since he bought a chain, the bike hasn't fallen to bits. So it was just a chain that failed on this particular fat bike I'm getting. What else did he say? Anything else? Even though I didn't say anything else, I might try and put bigger cogs on the back. That might be a better upgrade, a better derailleur. That might be in the pipeline, but that's all in the future. For now, when I first get it, I'm definitely going to change the brakes straight away, because 160mm don't cut it for me. It's not enough. So I like to change the brakes straight away. They'll still be mechanical, but you can do the you can change over to the hydraulic later, can't you? I think I have got an hydraulic brake in the shed somewhere, but not the lever. Anyway, I'm waffling. So that's the start of my shopping list so far. I think that is the motor I'm going to get for this bike, because obviously what I'm trying to do is trying to stay in the same price of the original hub motor e-bike I seen. I'll put another picture up here, and the price of that. Trying to get in that sort of ballpark of price, but have a bike that goes up hills better than this particular bike, because that was the somebody did mention in the comment section last time as well that they got that this bike with the 1000 watt hub motor, and they said it's terrible on hills as well. So it's not very good on hills, and no good on hills for me is no good at all. Honestly, if you lived where I live, it's like hill city. Whichever way you go, there's the hills. So there's very small amount of flat. There's flat around where I live, but if you go anywhere within half a mile to a mile, you start going up hills. So I need something that can pull up hills. I don't want to be puffing and panting and sweating going up hills. I want to be enjoying myself, don't I? So anyway, so the next video you should see from me is unboxing this fat bike. So if you've watched this one, stick around for the next one and see if the fat bike I bought is epic for the price or pants. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a like or a dislike, I don't mind. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment below if you think I'm doing it wrong, or if you want to see the build, and I'll see you in the next one. Hoi!